Hey guys, I was turning on my camera, and of course, I have my green screen on, and I forgot my hoodie is all green. So, if you take a look, of course, you can see right through it. So, give me a minute. Okay, not wearing green now, so you don't see through my clothes. That was funny.
Let's do this!
Okay, I just want to take a few minutes to show you guys the latest that I've seen for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So the first thing has to do with pricing. So let me show you the article that I found for that. And this was on Android Authority. And if you remember, the last time I made a little video on the S23, I thought the Ultra might be $50 more expensive than last year. And that's kind of what everybody was reporting. But Samsung Galaxy S23 series US pricing leaks, and it's good news. And the US pricing of the Galaxy S23 series has leaked via an alleged internal Verizon document. Was posted on Reddit by spotted by 9 to 5 Google. Seems the vanilla Galaxy S23 will still cost $799.99. The Plus still $999.99. Ultra would again be at the top end with $1199.99. These prices are the same as the Galaxy S22 series when it launched last year. The leaked pricing is definitely good news for prospective Galaxy S23 buyers in the US. A recent report outed the Australian prices of the phone, suggesting the potential price hike in the US. Thankfully, that doesn't seem to be the case. So, just wanted to let you guys know that that $50 increase that everybody had heard about looks like it's not coming to fruition, and that's a very good thing for all of us. So, just wanted to get that out of the way. And I have two others that I wanted to show you. So, there are two sites that are posting some night photography photos, just a couple, from the S23 Ultra, supposedly. And with that big 200 megapixel camera, it seems like the big difference will be in night photography. So I wanted to show you guys that. And this one was on Notebook Check. And there are a few places that have these first couple of photos, but I wanted to show you these two separate articles because they do have different photos also. So first of all, this would be the regular without night mode. And there's the difference. Now, you can see, even in the regular, you can see some stars and stuff. But the night mode, I guess with that 200 megapixel camera, makes a big difference. I wanted to show you that one. That's one of the ones that seems like a bunch of people have. And then there's this one, which also shows you some clouds, a few stars. But if we go into night photography mode, look at the difference. Wow, that's really a huge difference. And like I say, almost everybody, I've seen like 4 or 5 articles that all have those same two pictures. But one thing that makes this one different, here it says, in addition to the low light samples, zoom shots taken on the S23 Ultra have also leaked. The 4 images below were reportedly captured at the 1, 3 times, 10 times, and 30 times zoom ranges. And I think, again, this is where that 200 megapixel makes a big difference. So let's take a look at this. So there's the one I guess 3 times. Still looks really, really nice. There's 10 times. Now that's really clear. And look at that third. Look at the clarity. That is really, really cool. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I do have one more example from Droid Life. So I wanted to show you guys that. And of course, they also have the same pictures that the others had, but they had one more that I hadn't seen anywhere else. If you look at the normal night picture without night mode turned on, look at that. Huge difference. Huge difference. Oh, and they also showed a zoomed in. See, they had the other two also, like everybody else seems to have. But if you look at their zoomed in, last up we have a zoom shot example. My assumption is that this is the maxed out 100 times setting. So I'd say that's a pretty clear shot when compared to the original. So look at the original and then look at that 100 times shot. Look at the detail in that. That is pretty amazing compared to the way it was last year. You can see wires and bolts relatively clearly, and we have to remember that this is a little camera that fits in our hand without a physically zooming lens. My Pixel 7 Pro can take some great zoom shots, but I'm not sure it would be able to capture this level of detail at its max zoom setting of 30x. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that once again. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. I just want you guys to see these zoomed in nighttime shots, the zoomed in shots and the nighttime shots. And I also wanted to let you know that it looks like that $50 increase we were expecting for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is not going to happen. So just wanted to keep you guys up to date with what I know. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And let's remember we all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.